Hey, have you ever considered a vegan diet?
I have, but I don't know much about it. Is it healthy?
Definitely. A vegan diet can provide numerous health benefits, including a lower risk of heart disease and cancer.
Wow, I had no idea. What do vegans eat?
A vegan diet consists of plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and grains. It can be delicious and nutritious.
But don't you need protein from meat?
Actually, plant-based foods like beans, lentils, and tofu are great sources of protein. You don't need meat to get enough protein.
That's interesting. What about calcium?
You can get calcium from plant-based foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. Plus, many plant-based milks are fortified with calcium.
I never knew that. It sounds like a vegan diet can be quite healthy.
Yes, it can. Plus, it's great for the environment and animal welfare.
That's a bonus. Maybe I'll give it a try.
That's wonderful. Let me know if you need any vegan recipe ideas.